Hey guys, so Ulefone will be launching the Armor Mini 20T Pro on the 21st of October, and also according to the brand, there will be a special sale event commencing on the 21st of October and would end on the 27th. So it's going to be a 1-week special sale event. Anyway, during that period, you will be able to get the Armor 20T Pro for a very affordable price. So if you're interested in the Armor 20T Pro, then make sure to use the links in the video description and also in the comment section. And of course, as regarding the top features of the Armor 20T Pro, well, they're actually quite impressive. It's literally one of the best feature-packed 5G compact rugged devices of 2024. And some of its top specs includes a versatile LED light, a warning light that is essential in emergency situations, a 4.7-inch HD+ 90Hz display with up to 700 nits brightness. The device is also powered by the Dimensity 6300, which means this device supports 5G connectivity, and of course the 6300 is capable of handling most of the tasks required of any smartphone. The phone also has up to 16GB RAM and 256GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB via a microSD card. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a luxury in the smartphone market today. Lots of smartphones do not have a headphone jack. It's kind of funny. The device also has the largest battery of any compact or mini rugged device. It has a 6200 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging as well as 15 watts wireless charging. In terms of optics, the phone has a 50MP main sensor and a thermal sensor. That's right guys, this phone has a thermal camera. The front facing camera is 32MP, which is great for selfies and video calls. So these are just some of its top features and specs. If you're interested, as I mentioned earlier, then make sure to use the links in the video description and in the comment section. If you wish to get the Armor 20T Pro for a very affordable price, use the links that I just mentioned, okay? Anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next update. Peace out.